Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma shalli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Arnabal Mr. Karanci di Permainan and Mr. Haja Khawatir Dawati Multimedia. Yes, Spectre of Life and Video Combination. Respectable Muhammad teachers and respectable family. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hanza Pratana Zara. I'm from Larbina Hanifida Junior School. And I'm in 9th grade. Today, I would like to mention about my presentation about how airplanes can fly. Airplanes can fly because air moves around their wings when they move forward. This movement of air creates a force called lift, which pushes the airplane upward and helps it stay in the sky. The wings of an airplane have a special shape. The top of the wing is curved and the bottom is flatter. When the airplane moves, air flows faster over the top of the wing and slower under the wing. This makes the air pressure above the wing lower and the air pressure below the wing higher. Because of this pressure difference, the wing is pushed upward. Airplanes also follow Newton's third law. When the wing pushes downward, the air pushes the wing upward with the same strength. This upward push helps the airplane lift off the ground and stay in the air. The airplane engines make the airplane move forward. This forward movement is important because fast-moving air is needed to create lift. When the airplane is fast enough, the lift becomes stronger than gravity and the airplane can fly. In short, airplanes fly because of wing shape.
It's time to begin the fifth lesson.
Moving air and engine power. The scientific idea explain how airplanes can safely fly in the sky. Jadi bagaimana sih cara pesawat itu terbang? Nah, pesawat itu bisa terbang dikarenakan udara itu dari sayap mereka itu maju gitu ya. Nah, dari sini juga dia itu juga memiliki gaya angkat yang mendorong pesawat untuk menaik ke atas dan untuk tetap di atas awan. Nah, pesawat itu juga mengikuti Newton's third law atau hukum Newton ketiga gitu. Nah, saya presentation habis informasi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.